unboxing video for this WAGO L-BOXX with WAGO 675 pieces, Screwfix 640HV. L-BOXX containing 675 compact connectors from the WAGO 221 lever and 2273 push wire series. So I bought this for 200 quid from Screwfix, and just felt that really the description on the website wasn't satisfactory, so I just thought it might be useful to see what it contains. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it regardless of what it contains, but I just felt that they could have done a better job of actually explaining to people what they'll find within it. Okay, so as expected, there's like a WAGO branded box inside. I wonder if that'll fit well with my Fat Max stuff. Oh look, it's actually a Sortimo. So that'll fit well with anyone that has the Sortimo selection of stuff. So what does it come with? I don't know what these are, you see. I'm not familiar with the WAGO system. I'm still from the old generation where we just used to use connector blocks, chocolate blocks. So this is all new for me. 2 of those, or maybe it's 4 of those. No, these are different. These are something else. So 2 of these. And then let's just run through them. So this is what it was talking about, the 221 series. 412, 413. Oh, 2 of the 413, they must be popular then. And the 415. Now we're switching to the other one that they were talking about, which is the 2273. Let's try and do that in order. So it's the 2273 202, the 203, the 204, the 205, and the 208. Right, let's actually open them up. So all I've done since the last clip is unbox everything, and I noticed that these doubled up, so I used the spare space for these DIN rail accessories. I noted that you can't actually buy these on screwfix.com. I mean, that's at January 2021. Perhaps the range will increase at a later date, but I guess I'm going to have to find a different supplier for refilling the ones that are unavailable from Screwfix. As I said, my first experience of using WAGO blocks, and I fell into the trap of being lazy and just looking at that as 20 amp. If you place it in, like, imagine it's an airplane in the direction of travel, you'll notice on this side American wire gauge, and down at the bottom right 32 amp. So yeah, I thought initially one was 20 amp and one was 32 amp, but no, that's incorrect. So the first one in the first box is a 2-port 32 amp that's suitable for 4mm cable. 100 of them. So if you wanted to replenish them, 100 of those 2 lever connectors would be £25.48, and the code for them is 8421R. So next up, you'll notice I've packed them pretty tightly because I basically doubled up on that one, didn't I? That's the 3-port, suitable for 4mm cable, American wire gauge, 24 to 12, 32 amp. So that made the space for those DIN rail ones, which I haven't got the part number for. Let's see if I've got the part number for that one. There you go. It's the 2803R. There's only 50 in a pack, and they're £15.28 during January 2021. Sorry, viewers, to move the goalposts on you, but I decided that, you know, basically as these ones, these are the next ones. These are the 221 415s, again suitable for 4mm cable. They're 5 port, 32 amps. Yeah, it makes sense to have them all in a line here, doesn't it? And have the 2.5 ones with the adapters there. Yeah, sorry, 25 of those. You can see on the pack it says at the beginning of the part number the number of the items and then the code of the item. There we go. It's 25 of them. The part number is the 5201R, and that's 1231. So next up is this one, the 100 units of the 2273-202, suitable for 2 times 0.5mm to 2.5mm. Fingers crossed I zoom in on that. Can you see that? There you go. And I can only assume that that is the same as this product here. The part number 7913R, pack of 100, £13.29. And down here further in the description it has that same 0.5 to 2.5mm. So that's it, 100 of them. Next up, these 3-port 100 times the 2273-203s, again suitable for the same size of cable, 0.5 to 2.5, but this time is 3-port. The reason I'm struggling to identify them as the same product is because the Screwfix site refers to them as the ampage, and I can't actually see that on the product. Unlike the other ones, you could see that. I haven't been able to find that detail on the actual box. But anyway, I'm pretty sure that that 3-port one is this one here. It's the 4322R, £14.50, and again the data marries up with that on the box. 100 of them. Now we're on to the 100 times the 2273-204s, a 4-port capable of accepting the 0.5 to 2.5 copper. Excuse anyone looking at the hygiene of my fingers. These ones again rated by Screwfix at 24 amp. The product number is the 9014R, £19.33, and the cable sizes marry up. 100 of them. Okay, next one is 100 times the 2273-202s. That's a 5-port, same size, 0.5 to 2.5mm copper. There you go on the side, 0.5, 2.5, WAGO. Let's see if I can get the code. The 205, was it? So that's it, 24 amps, pack of 100. The code is 6050R, £20.54, and the cable sizes marry up. 100 of them. Finally, we're on to 50 times the 2273-208s. That's 8-port, 0.5 to 2.5mm copper. Yeah, that's some serious connections going on there. 8-port. That must be this one, the product code 44 33R. I thought I was being too anal with the marrying up of the cable sizes. This one, sorry, £18.73, but here, for example, is an 8-way push wire connector 773 series. For me, that would be quite easy to confuse the two products. I know that's grey and the other one's white, but just a casual look, you might get them confused. So, sorry, 50 of them. Screwfix does appear to have quite a big selection of WAGO products. I don't know what that is and I don't know what that is, but I might choose to modify my box to my preferred usage later. Yeah, I might, for example, add some of these to it. 3-way connectors, that's the 773 series. Yeah, sorry, I'm not to confuse you, but $17.99. And these allow actually connection of up to 6mm. Very nice. So yeah, there's all kinds of options for reconfiguration. I was thinking that I might, for example, turf out these DIN rail adapters, which I'm unlikely to ever use, but instead put a few of these boxes in there, the junction boxes. The ones in particular here are the 7355F. That's the 2 entry there, and the 4 entry, or at least from entry from either side, is the focus is the 8423F. They're both £1.70 at Screwfix. It's a shame this bad boy 4 entry is just too big. It's a shame that couldn't fit into one of those, and then I could actually store them inside itself. Anyway, that comes in at $3.29. The code for that is the 178FT. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I guess I should finish up by explaining I apologise for my fingers. It's on a previous video, somebody had actually commented on me needing to cut my fingernails. So the YouTube world is a cruel world. Have a good day.